A, e, i, o, u, a, e, i, o, u, y. No, wreszcie mi się udało. Ktoś tam boruje, także ja zamknę. Chodzące trupy, nie, jak to było? Żywe trupy, część bodaj 4, o ile się nie mylę. Do rzeczy. Musimy teraz rozwiązać sprawę latarki. Czy ja już pogadałem o wszystkim z nim? Się spytam, czy ufają
You guys
wszystkim.
trust everyone here?
More or less. I obviously have my problems with Lily, but I don't distrust her.
Yeah, we can't turn on each other any more than we have.
Ale część na YouTubie to będzie bodaj 4. Nie chodzi mi o sezon, czy o epizod, czy jak to się tam gada.
You need to try harder with Lily. You guys gotta straighten this out.
I don't know how straight we can get it given all that's happened.
So what then?
Time will come we'll have to do what's best for our families, and that's what we'll do.
W ogóle taki krótki zarys tego, co się tutaj dzieje. Ktoś w ogóle, jest latarka zepsuta, ktoś zepsuł i ktoś podbiera jedzenie. Jest między nami jakiś złodziej, jakiś kradziej. Że taka padła opinia ze strony pani Lily, że ktoś nam podkrada jedzenie. Musimy dojść do tego, czy to jest prawda.
Do you guys know anything about this broken flashlight?
Fuck. We don't got many of those.
Yeah, it's a problem. The glass and the bulb are all busted out.
I saw some broken glass over by the ice machine. I meant to clean it up before the kids hurt themselves on it. I forgot, though.
About the guns.
Don't you start.
I just wanted to say, Kat, it's probably good they make you uncomfortable.
Thank you, Lee.
But we need them. There's no doubt about that. I'll talk to you later.
No i już coś wiemy. Ja za wysoko sobie dałem tutaj. Pewnie czarny, ale to nie ja kradnę, a drugiego czarnego tutaj nie ma. Także sytuacja się diametralnie komplikuje. Siema Lunatic Squirrel. Gdzie była ta maszyna? Do tych lodów. Mała dziewczynka jest czarna? Nie, ona nie jest czarna, ona jest taka dziwna.
You didn't accidentally break a flashlight, did you?
No. Did Duck say I did?
No. Did Duck break the flashlight?
I don't think so. He's just always blaming me for stuff.
Like what?
Putting a bug on his pillow?
Did you do that?
Yes.
I'll talk to you later, Clem.
Okay.
W ogóle a propos czarnych jeszcze, to mam do was ciekawostkę. Śledzę tą sprawę od paru dni. Oglądam masę gameplay z Battlefielda 1 na YouTubie i wyłania się taki obraz niestety, że po stronie armii niemieckiej co drugi żołnierz jest czarny, a jak jest biały, to ma zasłonięte ryj szmatą taką. I to już jest podejrzane.
I talked to Kenny about who I am.
And?
I don't know. Feels like I just gave him ammo if we ever have to make any tough decisions when it comes to a head count.
Well, don't worry.
I
A
talked to
ja
Katja.
się nie przyznałem
take it?
jeszcze.
She was fine, I guess. I think she's more upset about Kenny.
Because of the St. John's? What exactly did he do back there?
Oh, don't you start now.
W armii amerykańskiej też są czarni, ale oni są za to usprawiedliwieni tym, że tam był ten Hellfighter skład, nie? No ale w armii niemieckiej to jest po prostu bullshit!
I talked to Clementine about things.
How'd she handle it?
I don't know. She's tough to read.
She adores you. Don't worry.
Czarnych w Afryce, ale w Afryce. Nie w Europie, nie było. Nie walczyli. I nie tyle jak już, może tam z jeden walczył. Jak w powstaniu
You told
warszawskim.
Ben? Funny you picked him.
Low risk.
I take it he didn't know what to do with the information.
Not even a little. He's just happy I told him something. Do you know anything about this flashlight?
It's broken.
I know it's broken.
And the batteries might be in backwards.
Dobra, to już
It
pożartowaliśmy
uses just
wcześniej.
one.
Everything should. What was the question?
Did you break the flashlight?
No.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Afrika Corp. No właśnie, no to mnie boli i powiem wam, że mam nadzieję, że to jest jakieś głupota alfy, ale jak ja w pełnej wersji zobaczę w niemieckiej armii co drugiego murzyna, który będzie krzyczał Feindliche Panzergesichtet! No to mi się chyba uleje i ja w to, no nie no, bo ja jestem po pierwsze za za wiernością, muszę przemyśleć jak to powiedzieć,
Hey, Carr.
już nie chcę z tobą gadać. Jestem fanem wierności takiej historycznej. To jest gra o I wojnie, także wierność jest wymagana. A oprócz tego jestem znanym rasistą, no i po prostu widok czarnego mnie mierzi, no. Nie no, żartowałem. Ale, no nie właź tam! Ale wiecie o co chodzi, no. Dlaczego czarni tam, jak tam nie było czarnych, no. Kurde, to równie dobrze można było tam wcisnąć Chińczyków, Azjatów, albo Indian, no. No i co? I też by powiedzieli, że tak mogło być, no bo przecież mogło tak być, nie? Że Indianin przepłynął z, nie wiem, albo aborygen przypłynął z Australii do Europy i się nauczył niemieckiego i się zaciągnął do armii niemieckiej. No, nie mogło być tak? Mogło tak być. Ale teraz kwestia jest taka, czy to jest naciągane, czy nie. A akurat tylu murzynów, kurwa, nie udupię z tymi schodami. Ja się próbuję obkręcić, to on na nie włazi.
Hey, Carr.
Rozdupi mnie łeb. Już nie włazimy. Dobra. Czarny z Japonii, tak.
Hey.
Jakby to była druga wojna jeszcze, nie? No to druga wojna, jeszcze bym to bardziej potrafił zrozumieć, bo tam w armii niemieckiej to już tam wszyscy walczyli. Wszystkie prawie narody Europy i jeszcze z kolonii i z... to spoko. Ale kurde, nie w pierwszej.
I need to tell you something.
Sure, go ahead. But if it's bad news, maybe save it.
Dobra, powiem jej.
I was sent to prison before the plague.
Shit.
What?
Dad said there was something about you.
So you know.
I didn't know what to know.
Well, it's true.
Stary nie
I'm
żyje.
sorry.
Staremu na
He
głowę
treated
spadła
you like shit.
cegła.
Knew who you were and you tried to save his life. The last thing you need to do is apologize.
Traktował mnie jak gówno. Prawda.
Thank you.
You killed a guy. So what? I bet he was a dick.
Well, it ruined my life.
Good thing everyone else's got destroyed shortly thereafter.
Żonę mi
huh?
dupczył.
Misery loves company.
Kutach. O, pozytywnie wyszło, pozytywnie. Tak, fabuła jest fajna, to domyślam się, bo się fajnie gra. Nie! Ale mogę powiedzieć, że powiedziałem.
I told Lily. You were right. She and Larry spoke, obviously. She was all right, though.
Well, you're about all she's got left.
Dobra, powiedziałem. Myślałem, że będzie buzi przynajmniej, ale... Johnny Murzynowski, no. Czekam na ruskich czarnych w jakiejś grze. Myślę, że się doczekam. Ciekawe, czy Murzyn zaliczy, no. Zobaczymy. Czy ty coś
The
wiesz?
flashlight was broken. Was it you?
No?
Ja
You're
rzekomo...
not in trouble if it was.
On rzekomo jak
I
ja
know you get
wygląda.
nervous and maybe you went out to go to the bathroom, broke it, got word and tossed it.
What's with the third degree? I didn't break any flashlight.
Okay then.
O. Czyli nie przyznał się. A może jeszcze coś pogadamy.
Did you ever come down here to Macon much?
I didn't have much reason to. My parents would let me take the car into the city on the weekend. but what's in Macon? It's kind of a waste of time compared to Atlanta.
I grew up in Macon.
Oh, I didn't mean to say it's crappy or anything. It's super nice. I mean, not now, but I bet it was.
Have you seen anything weird on the watch? Is there anybody out there up to anything?
Nope. Really quiet.
Really?
Yeah, totally. Which is good.
Good.
What do you think about Lily?
She scares the crap out of me.
That's a reasonable thing to feel.
I'm just worried she's going to snap.
Talk to you later, Ben.
Bye.
O, Subek! Moi drodzy wszyscy, ja tylko szybko uzupełnię. Knefel, kurde, dziękuję pięknie, moi drodzy, polecam ten styl życia, polecam iść w ślady Knefla, wszyscy piszą Dzięki. Aż się zgrzałem. Aż się zgrzałem. Seryjnie. Nie żartuję. W ogóle wiecie co zrobili u mnie na placu? Udupili na bloku tabliczkę zakaz gry w piłkę, bo dzieci sobie grają w piłkę i takiej jednej pani to przeszkadza. A ja myślę, że ta pani to jest fajno... Nie powiem.
There's some broken glass.
Musiałbym bardzo brzydko o niej mówić, wiecie? To jest taki typ człowieka, którego się bardzo nie ceni. Tak zwany kabel. Dupa jej pęka bardzo skutecznie. Kiedyś pracowała w administracji. Możecie czaić, co to za zord.
There's something drawn there.
Ej, co to ktoś X namalował?
Chalk.
Pink.
Doc.
A clue.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
I don't think it's anything.
Maybe it's a sign.
Dokładnie, ekspertyza, dokładnie.
Could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Okay, back to investigating.
Normalnie człowiek patrzy, gęba się śmieje, bo dzieci grają w bale na placu, a nie ino przy kąpach w XXI wieku. To przeszkadza. Upierdolą tabliczkę, zakaz gry w piłkę, siedźcie w domach, gnijcie. Nie można, kurwa, dejcie spokój, moi drodzy. Na tym placu mój dziadek grał w bale, moja matka... Matka nie grała w bale. Ja grałem w bale. Jakbym kiedyś chciał mieć dzieci, to one już nie pograją. Bo będzie buba.
Definitely weird.
Trzymaj się, Knefel, no na razie.
It can't just be a coincidence.
Na klopsztandze, ja. Na klopsztandze jak jeszcze była. Bo potem to... Aiza, wiadomo, Aiza w cenie. Przyjechali, użli i odjechali. W sumie... Aha, teraz o tych znakach trzeba. Usuwajcie w nocy. Ja. I mnie przyuważą, i mnie sprzedadzą na pały, i mnie zawrą, i będziecie mi zamiast donate'ów wysyłać chleb do więzienia. Ej, ale jakby co, to tak do bochenka chleba, albo do sera takiej bergi, możecie mi tak pilnik wsadzić, wiecie? Albo linę. I ja sobie kraty przepiłuję i ucieknę. A areszt mam niedaleko, tak na marginesie, jakby ktoś kojarzył śląskie klimaty, to jest areszt, w którym powiesili, albo się zagłodził. Są dwie wersje słynnego śląskiego Robin Hooda, czyli Eliasza Pistulkę. Eliasz Pistulka to był taki śląski Robin Hood, rabował bogatym, biednym nie wiem czy dawał, ale rabował na pewno. No. I go zamkli w hereszcie bytomskim i tam kojfnął. No, tak
Hey,
było.
Ben, I need a piece of chalk. You know where I can get any?
Why would I have any?
Just asking around.
Well, I don't play with that stuff. I've got my thoughts, and I've been reading the Bible I found in my room.
That's what it's there for.
Nie Janosik. Janosik był Słowakiem, a Pistulka był... Karol Pistulka. Karol to był Godula. A Pistulka był... Eliasz. Chyba. Eliasz. Nie wiem, sprawdzę potem. To wam powiem, czy Eliasz.
Have you seen any chalk around?
Ah, yes. Clementine loves to draw with it.
Yeah, of course. I'll talk to her.
Karol Pistulka wraz z Wincentym Eliaszem. Dobra, bo już mi się zaczyna mieszać. W każdym razie Pistulka. I są dwie wersje właśnie. Jedna jest taka, że w bytomskim areszcie go powiesili. Nie wiem, czy za Ziobro, jak Janosika. A druga wersja jest taka, że zagłodził się. W sensie powiedział, nie bydajot! No i umarł. W każdym razie w obu wersjach umarł. W Bytomiu. Karol Pistulka. Dobra, no to się kajam. Pomyliłem się. Podobczyło mi się, że to on miał na imię, wiecie. No to bo ta cała banda taka
Did you
była.
have
No.
any chalk I can borrow?
Pomyliłem się.
Clementine holding out on you?
Wybaczcie.
So you don't have any.
No. Why would I?
Czy pracował w NFZ-cie? NFZ-u wtedy jeszcze nie było. A szczególnie, że to było w Niemcach. To w Niemcach też nie ma NFZ-u do dziś. O! Jest! Zbój! Ej, Midgstorm trochę podobny do ciebie, szczerze mówiąc. Taki kurde śniady. Włoch. Kurde, może to jakiś przodek jest Midgstorma. Pistulka. Zbój. Śląski.
Hey, Clementine.
Haley,
Do you have any pink chalk?
no, it's gone somewhere. Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Lee,
Wjazd na
I
chatę.
found something.
Mówiłem
What
zbój?
is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
Really?
Totally. I was coming to see him for clues
Yeah,
and...
Duck, I got it. Good job.
Lol. Co ja mam? Pionę przybicia? Ha.
Cool.
Cool! Czy moja aplikacja działa na Androidzie, czy można ją pobrać ze sklepu Play? Znaczy, moja aplikacja jest systemowa na komputer. I ona działa tylko na PC-cie z Windowsem. A jest też apka hitboxowa na Androida, na której można oglądać streamy na telefonie. To jest co innego, to jest od Hitboxa. A ja mam swój powiadamiacz, który jest na Windowsy. Który działa na komputerze. Czajcie motyw. Wikipedia mówi, że Pistulka zmarł w Raciborzu. Kłamstwo. To jest kłamstwo. Pistulka zmarł w Bytomiu.
Have you found anything else?
Just the chalk. I also found some bugs underneath the stairs. Don't tell Clementine.
Okay, I won't. You didn't break the flashlight, did you, Duck?
No, Mom and Dad won't let me touch any of their stuff. Lily neither.
That's probably for the best.
Siema Jakub.
You seem to know a bit about all of this. The chalk? You found the scuff here? This is gonna sound crazy, but you're not involved, are you?
No, I'm a good guy.
Stay inside the gate.
I will.
More chalk.
Ktoś rozgniótł hasiokiem kredę.
Somebody was over here, too.
See, I did good, huh?
Yeah, Duck, you did. I suppose I should go out there and look around. You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
Okej. Cisnymy. Czuję niedobrze.
Those bandits gave us hell, but they've been quiet for days now.
Czuję, że coś będzie źle. Ventilation.
There's a grate down there.
Co to za paczuszka?
It's a bag of something. Son of a bitch.
To te jedzenie, co ktoś podprowadza.
You haven't come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this. It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall, and there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
O,
Yeah.
yeah. Dokładnie.
Okay, we line everybody up. Everybody. Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die. What is the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need? What the hell?
You don't fucking steal from us!
Who the fuck is that?
Y'all
Got our
better get
people
your
out
asses
there.
out here. We ain't
Co?
fucking around!
What do we do?
Co?
They're gonna start kicking indoors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you...
Stall him.
What?
Just keep him talking. Do whatever it takes to
What
stop him
the
pulling the trigger.
fuck?
You made the biggest mistake of your life!
Shit.
She.
Enough of this bullshit! Drew, stop putting your boot to these doors! Yeah! Hold it, asshole!
Take it easy. We have more supplies. We can keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead! We ain't giving second chances.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
I'm listening.
We'll leave you everything. Just let us walk out of here.
So you can try to pay us a little visit later? Fuck that! Alright, I've had enough of this shit. Drew, take these motherfuckers! Christ!
Oh shit!
O fuck! W dupę. O curwa.
Get back there! Smoke him out! We gotta get out of here!
No shit!
Get those bastards! Cover our people and get them to the RV!
Ah!
Go around, shit the brains, he's back there!
Now!
Dobra.
Get over here! Hurry!
Dobra.
Man, you saved our asses.
Get inside!
Hi there, RV!
Help!
Katja, hang on!
O!
Where is he? He's hiding behind that van! Get your asses around behind!
Dobra. Mamy ich.
Katja, hurry! Come on! Clint, get inside the RV! It's gonna be okay! Go!
O kurwa!
Oh, Christ!
Lily, get in the RV!
Screw her! Let her stay!
Shit!
Ile można?
Lily, last chance! Get down here!
Shit!
Ja pierdaczę. No. O!
Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm sorry.
Everything's fine, Ben.
Everything's not fine. We need to figure out how this happened. We just lost everything.
Well, we're lucky as shit to have this RV.
And nobody died.
Cat's head is split
I'm
open.
fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
This is different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
It's true.
So, Carly, is there something you want to say?
Please,
We have to get it out of you then.
back off.
You're in
Kuva.
no position to make demands.
Whoa, 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 you're just pointing fingers.
Why her? This seems like a stab in the dark,
A
Lily.
może to ona?
She's always so eager to see what supplies we found. She never talks about her family. She could be related to those bastards for all we
Whoa,
know.
my family's not a bunch of meth-riddled forest people. They're fucking Lutheran.
You're not saying it wasn't you.
It wasn't me.
Like, look, maybe we should vote or something like that.
Vote? What?
Just look. Carly's a stand-up gal, and maybe this was all just a mistake.
We need to look at the facts. Let's calm down, we'll eat, and we'll deal with it.
Guys, we have to act now. I know it sounds nuts, but we have a traitor here. Do you guys get that? Someone who puts their insidious shit above everyone else.
Thank you, Lee.
Nobody was stealing anything.
Was it both of you?
What?
I've seen you two together. Was it both of you?
Look, just let me out. I didn't do it, but I don't like this. I don't like where it's headed.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Lily, lay off of him.
Shit!
What's going on up
What you-
there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well, we can deal with this now then.
Sytuacja się
Is
zaostrza.
it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out.
Ciekawe czasy przyszły. No.
Kenny, the
Zombiaszek.
RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out.
Thing ripped
We should
in
hear what
half.
everybody thinks.
I think you should chill out.
I'm not gonna take this. You can push Ben around, but you can't push me around.
I'm really sorry you feel that way.
Ja
I'm
umywam
starting to
ręce.
think maybe it was both of you.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Lee. You're the one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Fuck all that. This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
I'll get more food, more medicine, anything.
Do you
Just
think any of that
To
is
nie
good
zrobił.
now?
Just let me
Kurwa.
stay, please! God, please!
He's broken, Lily.
I can see that.
Do we need any more evidence than this? Fuck evidence! Stop treating him like this! Shut up, Carly! Ugh,
I've heard enough out of you. Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Może
Just
ona,
give me a
może
damn
ona.
minute.
Ben,
Ciężko,
you
ciężko
have
będzie.
until that walker is dealt with to tell me it was her and not you.
Stop this! You're torturing him!
No!
Ben! Stop! This is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Tell her. Just do it, Ben.
Lee, Jesus, who are you right
Tell
now?
her what? She'll kick me out of the group.
We won't. We'll understand.
Tell me now.
There. I got him.
Please, let's just get back
That's
in the
not
RV.
happening. You think you're some tough bitch, don't you? Like nothing can hurt you. But you're just a scared little girl. Get the fuck over it. Take a page from Lee's book and try helping somebody for once.
O kuwa. A, sytuacja się
Now,
rozprężyła.
What the fuck's the problem?
Kurwa!
Drop it.
Keep that away from the windows. Jesus Christ. Get in. We're leaving this crazy bitch.
She couldn't be trusted, Lee. I swear. Please.
Ja pierdolę, co ja mam teraz zrobić?
What are we gonna do with her?
Leave her for the walkers.
Ken, Lee,
Kurwa.
Why, Lily?
Dobra, weźmy ją.
Just get in. I'll figure out what to do with you.
It's a bad idea, Lee. She's a murderer, for shit's sake.
Murderer?
Nie damy,
He's killed before
ale
and I
sami se
forgave
nie
him.
damy rady.
You've killed before and I'll forgive you.
Bullshit,
You
you
both
will.
know we
You've
do.
been
It
planning
has
to
to
get
be
me this
done.
entire time.
I was trying to protect all of us. I don't have anything left.
Whatever. Just get in.
Może się jeszcze... Miękki. Nie miękki, tylko ja myślę logicznie, logicznie. Ona się jeszcze może przydać, no. Wyście są w gorącej wodzie normalnie z kompanii. Nic nie myślicie przyszłościowo. Teraz się już chuja dowiemy.
Lee,
Staremu też za
a
dużo.
word, please.
Ale stary umarł tak czy srak. O, shit.
You okay?
Katja needs you for something.
Odszczeliła łeb. Ale
We
odszczeliła...
need to speak to you up here.
Ja nie wiem. Ja już nie wiem.
What's up? Is Duck feeling all right?
O kurwa.
Fuck.
Bajśli go.
Happened during the raid.
Nie. Shit.
What's the plan? You've never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Wschód?
Guys,
Na
What else
wschód
is there
to
to do?
wschód.
We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each
Karwa,
other.
karwunia.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
No trochę sytuacja jest... Trochę bardzo niedobra. Ugryźli, bo była taka scena, jak on skoczył na nią, jak ta babka go trzymała, ta matka od niego.
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Carly?
There was no time for a burial.
Walkers?
Yeah. Horrible. I'm glad I have you.
Trzeba,
Me too.
trzeba przynajmniej z modą utrzymywać
I heard
dobre
you
relacje,
outside
bo...
my treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on your head.
That's nice.
I didn't though.
Thanks.
Skoro Niklaus gra, nikt na końcu nie zostanie. Kurde, sytuacja... Jak na ostrzu brzytwy, powiem wam. O, bez jaj!
Holy shit! Get off of me!
Jakże?
We got something up ahead.
A mi aż włosy na ręce stanęły. Ja pierdolę. O!
Damn it. Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
O panie. Rubo. Się dzieje.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area.
Na pych.
All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
And I'd like everyone out of the RV except her. I don't want folks trapped in there with her.
Kurwa. Młody, baśnięty, ten
Why don't you and I go look
obesrany.
Yeah, everyone else relax.
o,
Claire,
no.
stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What?
Tak.
You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Tak, przydałby się Mishor. I by zaśpiewał: ja lubię pociągi. Ja lubię jechać pociągiem.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
Kuwa, czyli to mogła być tamta.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody
Może to
kill
ta, co
someone like
rycała.
that before.
Yeah, you've seen a bunch of other stuff by now.
Yeah, but not like that.
You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course.
Idziemy do tamtej pogadać. Szalonej. Szalonej szczelawki.
Hey, Lily. Lily.
Ogupła.
I'm sitting here tied up like an animal while you guys decide what to do with me.
It's not like that.
Then what's it like?
Lily.
A. Nie pogadamy. Ha, mogło być tak, bo raz to ponoć nawet, znaczy ten kij od miotły może strzelić, nie?
Hey, Clem.
What are you going to do with Lily?
I don't know. Something, I suppose. I don't know what we can do.
She killed her.
Yeah, it's horrible. You worried about keeping her in there?
I cracked a window. I sure as hell don't want her out here with us.
No i krótko, no. Węzłowato.
How's Duck?
Duck is fucked.
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah. His body's probably fighting whatever's in it.
Exactly.
Ej, ale w sumie ostatnio jak była babka pogryziona, to żeśmy jej dali od razu pistola, żeby się odstrzeliła, nie? Nie żebym sugerował, ale ja bym się młodego pozbył chyba. Znaczy lubię go, Fez, ale jest potencjalnym zagrożeniem.
Have you heard anything out of Lily in there?
Not a peep.
I don't like that.
She's probably in shock. She did a monstrous thing.
Has Clementine said anything to you about Carly or Duck or anything? I'm worried about her.
No. That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah, she is.
Poor Carly. God, where did yesterday go?
I don't know.
Are you okay? I know you were fond of her.
I was. This isn't any time for, romance, but yeah. I was, fond of her, yeah. Anyway, let me know if anything changes here.
No i cóż, moi drodzy, no i tak wyszło. Zalej młodego spirytusem, zamarynuj, wirus powinien wyginąć, to zrobicie grill. Ej, ciekawe, czy jakby zombie spirytusem polać, to by coś się stało, nie? Albo całego w spirytusie zanurzyć.
That's one hell of a mess.
Niklas czyta czat. No Niklas czyta czat, bo taka jest idea streamów, ale na złość nikomu nie robię. Często widzowie robią mi na złość.
Door's closed.
A tu zombie! Czy ktoś się wystraszył? Ja czasem takie, jak gram w horroropodobne gry, to takie zabiegi przeprowadzam, że straszę widzów. To jeszcze nie ma ciemno. Także raczej nie.
Shit, think they're gone?
I hope so, but this looks
Nie.
recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
No tym razem nie wyszło, ale zobaczycie jak będziemy grać w Outlasta 2. Ha! Znaczy ja się pewnie przy Outlastie będę srał. Jak grałem w Outlasta pierwszego, to się kurde stresowałem tak, że potem już jak się wystraszyłem czegoś, to tylko tak zamierałem, tak. Nawet już mną nie targało.
I'll take this to Katja for Doc.
Ja bym tego nie pił, a jak to jest zarażone?
A clipboard.
Albo coś takiego?
A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed.
No to co, odpalamy cuk i jadymy. Pra. Kurde, ale Amerykany mają super te lokomotywy, nie? Ja bym chciał, żeby takie w Polsce jeździły, bo jakie one są fajne. Jak one normalnie, jaką one mają moc. Jak tam na przykład 2-3 złączone ciągną tam po przecież kilka tysięcy kilometrów te wagony, to jest cudowny widok. A u nas te trupy stare ruskie Gagariny. Szkoda. Może się kiedyś doczekamy, no coś tam się w tej kolei poprawia mimo wszystko.
Nothing.
Nothing. Siema Zenon, Pindolino, ja. Pindolino. Jeden kontener na drugi, o kurde, to ja czegoś takiego nie widziałem. Jakiś, co to jest? Majzel? A to klucze. Aha. Tam trzeba będzie zreperować. Dobra, ja na razie sobie wszystko obejrzę. Siemanowia. A. Czyli tym nie jesteśmy. Za mało miejsca na ekwipunek, no. Przydałby się jakiś plecak czy coś takiego. Skonsternowany black guy. Polskie konie pociągowe. No, czasami to tak jest, wiecie.
Shit.
Ja mam rozeznanie trochę, bo jeżdżę pociągiem średnio co dwa tygodnie.
We got him.
Co 2 tygodnie przejeżdżam około 1200 km pociągiem. Także trochę wiem jak to wygląda. I jak kiedyś pociąg Katowice-Gdańsk jeździł 8,20, to teraz jeździ 10. Także dobra zmiana. Dobra, sklucza go. Na pyrę! Jep!
Suppose we ought to look him over.
Yeah.
Poczekaj, kiedyś przyjedziemy.
I don't think this guy came back.
Christ. That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Push
Why
it!
not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look. It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
Heh, jajcarz.
Found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
This hoss will take us right to Savannah. 100 tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit. I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
What about Doc?
What about him?
No, what
Can't
about
act
him?
Nothing happened to him.
He's
We can't
turning
act
into
like
fucking
he's dead
zombie.
either.
Okay, fair enough.
Try to get this thing started. There's got to be some sort of manual or something.
I don't know about that.
That's the spirit. Ben, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Witam cię 1980. Zniżka na pociągi. Tak, mam zniżkę jako weteran wojenny.
Hey, Kent.
What's up?
Hope it's all right I chose to keep Lily with us. Abandoning someone on the side of the road, it's the same as murder.
Turning over a new leaf, huh?
I'm just doing what I can.
It's fine for now, but we have to deal with it eventually.
You want to talk about Duck? I'm really sorry, Kenny. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
God, we need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when working on stuff like this? We're smart guys. We can figure it out.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
O. Sad story.
A bunch of papers. Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. I can kind of see the indentations from the writing.
A, to trzeba będzie zrobić tak jak moda robiła. Zaczęła się jak, wiecie, tym, wiecie. Pokretkować. Czy ona jest na podstawie filmu? Ta gra jest nie na podstawie filmu, tylko jest na tych samych motywach co serial The Walking Dead i komiks, ale bezpośrednio nie jest powiązana.
I have no idea what to do with these.
Instrukcja po polsku, dokładnie. Jak on to ma rozczytać? Dobra, idę do Modej po kredkę. Bo to trzeba wziąć kredkę i taki szlak zrobić po tym, wiecie, pomazać. I wtedy będzie widać. No tak, są bohaterowie z serialu i tak dalej, ale no na przykład ten Murzyn nie jest ze serialu, nie? I fabuła też nie jest taka jak w serialu. Dobra, damy im wodę.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't, but you're probably right.
Siema Wilczunieczkę, witam. Katia jest mi wdzięczna.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Dobra, idziemy poszukać pensila. What is going on? Dziwna tu jest kamera trochę. Ej, dawaj pensila, murwo. A, nie idzie. Bo ci walnę kluczem. Był ołówek? A tu jest! LOL! Ale to ciężko było zauważyć.
I'm leaving.
Idź.
Go. Now.
Come with me. We could take the RV right now. He left the keys in it.
No, no way.
No way.
Didn't think you would say yes.
I can't let you take the RV. Don't be crazy.
You're not letting me take it. Sorry, Lee. I really am.
Holy shit! She's stealing the RV!
Lily!
Come back here, you crazy bitch! Fuck! Stop!
No to... Perfecta immobiliare. Always
Let's focus on the
look
train.
at the bright side of light. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-ba-ba.
Well, we're fucked if we don't figure out how this thing works. Can't spend the night out here. Duck is still sick, you know. We need to get to the city, the coast.
Gdzie moje strategiczne myślenie? Przecież i tak odpalimy pociąg. Dejcie spokój. Nie peniajcie. Wszystko będzie dobrze. Dźwięk jak z Wolfensteina, jak się łaziło po metalowych tych blachach. Takie dup, 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 dup. Siema Zirael, jaki cel donate'ów? Wszystkie donate'y i suby obecnie przeznaczone są na przeżycie w tym ekstremalnym, nieeuropejskim klimacie, czyli na piciu i papu i tak dalej, bo żyć trzeba, moi drodzy. Także zachęcam do donate'ów, do subków. Dzisiaj były już 2 subki. Polecam bardzo ten styl życia. Wszyscy co subują bardzo se chwalą, a co donate'ują jeszcze bardziej. Tak wygląda życie. Patrzcie jaka. Ah,
You can read it now?
perfect.
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Sześć, 5, 9, 9. Izak miał 3 sub, a ty 2. O, taki Izak taki super jest, a Niklaus taki słaby, bo ma nie tyle subów co Izak. No. Władek, idź się połóż. Idź się połóż, bo ci bije. Chyba od gorąca, albo genetycznie. Dziwne, nie? Że nie mam 3000 subów dziennie. Dobra. Nie czaję o co tu chodzi, ale zaraz się dowiem. Dobra. Nie no, ja się nie wkurwiłem, ja jestem załamany. Jestem załamany. A, co wam będę gadał? Dobra, muszę sobie kuknąć. Czekajcie, jaki to jest numer? 6, tak? Kurde, głupie. W dół, u góry. No proste, no. Czyli ma być tak. Kurde, nie tak. Ej, czemu on to... Nie, to było dobrze. W dół, do góry, do góry, do góry, w dół, u góry. No.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash.
A!
So far, so good.
Niklaus, kurde, technolog. Siema, Harlock. Teraz co? Teraz piąteczka. Poziomo pionowo.
Now we're talking.
Yeah! 9 w lewo. Coś chyba źle popatrzałem. A to tutaj. A nie, 3 jeszcze. Nie! To jest nie tu. Coś nie tak. Czekajcie, jeszcze raz. Jeszcze mi została 9 i... A, 9 trzeba tak... Aha, bo tutaj jest co? Raz, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ja, dokładnie, 9 jest na zewnątrz, macie rację. Kto ma rację, ten stawia kolację. Pamiętajcie. O kurwa! Ale się obesrałem. O! Aż mi gorko. O, zdygałem.
This door's gonna hurt.
Z klucza.
Can't get at him in there.
Dobra, wezmę go od jebę.
Too loud.
Siedzi bez gaci. Mam gacie. Ej, nie mogę go tak. Tak będzie za głośno. Poduszki niestety nie mam. Od drugiej strony, no. Spróbujemy.
I thought those things were designed to save lives.
Albo go odepnę.
You aren't gonna like this.
Ej, LOL! What the fuck? No. Bo ja myślałem, że to na niego trzeba będzie wcelować. A to trzeba było dać na drzwi, żeby go nimi pierdacznąć. Coś tam jeszcze miał chyba, nie? Albo nie. Czy działają SMS donaty? Tak. Czasami zapóźnienie, ale aż zobaczę. Tak, jakby coś będzie, to by było. Możliwe, że z opóźnieniem przyjdzie, czy coś. Albo go dostałem, a nie wyskoczyło powiadomienie, bo to się czasem psuje. W każdym razie, jakby co, to z góry dzięki.
It's in pretty good shape for a wreck.
Siema Mateusz, jak dzionek, super, chapter 3. Dobra, ta wajcha jest tu na zewnętrzu gdzieś. Co to tu było? Nic. Małpka pod siedzeniem, tak, pił na odwagę. Pił, aby zapomnieć. No i gdzie jest ta 9? A, tu! Było w lewo, w prawo, nie? Yeah!
Holy shit! We're golden!
This thing is loud.
So what? We're barreling down the tracks at 40 miles an hour. I don't care about the noise. Let's fucking enjoy this.
No, let's enjoy.
Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Czuję dobrze. Czuję dobrze, będzie dobrze. Czuję dobrze, będzie dobrze. Czekajcie, pogadamy się jeszcze z modą. W sumie to ja nie wiem, co ja tam znalazłem, ale coś fajnego pewnie. Kurde, moi drodzy, zaraz będzie ciu-ciu. Bilety. Ausweiskontrolle. O, damy to im, do młodego.
I found these, if Duck's up for it.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful. He isn't fussy, you know.
Kobieto, ja przez
Most
to...
kids, they're really fussy about what
Zginąłem.
they'll eat. Hate vegetables, that kind of thing.
Not Duck, huh?
No. The most trouble I ever have is making him use a fork. Thank you, Lee.
Sure.
Ja przez to raz dedłem. Odczepić? Nie, nie było żadnej opcji takiej. Niestety. Jak za mało sprytny, tak.
It's all yours.
Łopanie!
That's the throttle.
Nie wiem, no, przeciepnymy.
Damn it. Of course, we're still attached. Can you
Aha.
go find out where we're stuck? Get us
No.
unstuck?
Teraz,
Yeah.
kurde, można odpiąć. To jest jakiś nowy czat. No, jakby ktoś nie zauważył, cały hitbox jest nowy. Cały design hitboxa się zmienił. No, ale Midstorm tego nie szło wcześniej zrobić, wiesz? To dopiero teraz idzie. Na Jaroku nie widać. Kurde, to oglądajcie nie przez Jaroka. To zobaczycie. Wystarczy, że klikniecie na ekran, to się przeniesie na hitboxa, a nie na Jaroka. A jak to się odpina? Twitch dzisiaj umarł? A nie wiedziałem nic. Jeden wagon dali? Aha, dobra. Nie, bo ja teraz do lokomotywy idę. Nie tu. Nie tu, wcześniej. O, tutaj. Z klucza. No. Bolec wyszedł.
Hey, Kenny, we're loose.
No i SPZ. Shoe outlets.
You touch any of my stuff?
Fuck!
I took the map of the train routes.
That's fine. You can have that.
Really?
Yeah, I got 'em all right up here. I guess it's no worse for wear. Name's Chuck. Charles, if you fancy.
Lee.
That your crew outside?
Yeah.
And the guy up in the cab?
Him too.
I saw you walking through here and thought about scaring the pants off you.
What?
But I couldn't force myself to do it.
You're still kind of freaking me out.
Trained folk will do that. Already met everyone outside. They all warmed to me right quick in direct sunlight.
Spoko. Zawsze się przyda. Doświadczony kolejarz na
You
propsie.
met Chuck.
Yeah, I did.
It's so nice to meet someone normal for a change.
He gave us candy. Ben too.
A teraz wszyscy... Kurde. A jak to kolejarz zabójca?
Welcome.
Thank you.
You met Kenny?
Sure did. Man shares my love of the road.
That's for certain.
Młody się przemienio! Łoczczylić go!
I'm awful sorry your son's not feeling good.
I appreciate your concern.
Well, with a little TLC, I'm sure he'll be fit as a fiddle in no time. And I can offer y'all whatever I got, although it ain't much.
Thank you. We'd like to do the same.
Why don't we hold off on,
Stay with us. We'd like the company.
Patrzcie. I na gitarce pyknie. Fajny gościu. Można? Można.
Hey, Chuck.
Howdy.
Ory.
Where are you from? You live around
From
here?
Silesia.
Georgia boy, you saw where I live.
Menelik, ale taki kurde... Taki dobry, nie? Taki... graliście na pewno w Stalkera. Ktoś z was grał. Albo graliście w... Metro. To tam dopiero na gitarce było klimatycznie, nie? Siedzieli przy ognisku i tam pinkali sobie. Kurde, mega to było. To jest taki klimat się robił, że
Are you
super.
alone?
Super to było.
Why not? Seem to be doing all right.
Fine then.
I'm sorry. I do like being around y'all, actually. It's nice.
You caught us on a bad day.
You still got a couple of kids, and this one's got a good spirit. That's some kind of something.
I'll talk to you later.
Hope so.
O, hope so. Siema Raqueiro. No, styl graficzny tutaj jest... Styl graficzny tutaj w tej grze robi cały klimat, tak jak wczoraj
So
gadałem.
that's it? We're cut loose?
Seems that way, yeah.
Great. We don't got much left, so just gather whatever you have. Let's go. Want to ride?
Well, it sounds like you're taking my home.
That's a yes then?
Haven't found anything better for keeping the creepy crawlies out than that boxcar.
Duck's sick.
Get on the train, Clementine.
He's getting sicker.
Let me look at him.
O surwa, ale afę wywalił.
We can keep going if you want.
Damn right I won't. That's what we're doing.
I
Powiem
think
tak.
Lee just wants to talk it through.
It's talked through. Get on, Cat. I'll be up front. I don't want to hear any nonsense until we get where we're going.
Najwyżej go wyrzucimy, no, otworzymy drzwi. Poleci, tak jak siku. Jak się sika w pociągu i się klapę naciska i wszystko wylatuje, nie? To najwyżej tak z nim zrobimy. Myślę, że zagrożenie nie jest aż takie wielkie, jest mały, letki. Szłoby. Szłoby, myślę. Jadymy. Zamieni się w małpę, która będzie skakała. Tak, zamieni się w człowieka małpę. Najgorszego zbrodniarza wojennego. Jadymy! No, niebieski długo żyje, dokładnie. Jak na takiego mamlasa, nie?
Gotta be hard on you, eh? 3 adults taking care of 3 kids. No disrespect, son.
There were more of us.
Dad get 'em?
Yes.
Oh, it's a shame.
Lee! Lee, I need you right now.
Ooh.
I need you to go get Ken.
What's...
Would you get that off his face? My hands are full here.
Kurde. A jak on jej się rzuci nagle tak
Could
tutaj
you just get that off his face, please?
do tętnicy i zacznie gryźć i ją... Kurwa mać. Ja nie wiem czy to jest...
He's out of time. We need to stop this train.
Okay.
Please.
I think this is not going the right way.
I'm gonna go get Kenny. Hold on tight in case the train stops fast.
Ought to get this train stopped right quick.
Żebym z pociągu nie wyleciał.
Stopping the train. Stay put.
Okay.
Okej. No kurde, sytuacja jest ciężka, no. Ja bym raczej się tak przymierzał ku temu, że będziemy się musieli rozstać. Niestety. Taka może być rzeczywistość. Ha, właśnie. A bileciki? Taki można żarcik by im zrobić. A bileciki są... Będzie mandat 500 zł.
You need to stop the train.
Pa.
Kenny.
What?
Ken.
What the hell's that?
Your son's blood.
Get out of here, Lee.
You know he's dying.
Nobody knows shit. He'll be fine.
No, nic mu nie będzie, no. Hopie, hopie.
He won't be. He's going, Kenny.
What is the goddamn deal? He's a little sick, but we can't just quit. It's a scratch. He's not like the others. Jesus, all y'all are just making it worse.
Stop the train. Stop it, goddammit!
Fuck you, Lee.
You're gonna listen.
Or what?
Calm down and...
How the fuck do you calm down after a day like today?
Chyba tylko w pierdol. Nie
I'm
no.
talking to your friend.
Myślę, że to przez ciebie tak został ugryziony. No.
You couldn't save Herschel's son then, and you can't save Duck now.
Shut your mouth!
So you're running like a coward.
Kurwa, nie, źle to powiedziałem, ja pierdolę. Nie tak to miało być. Nie tak, źle. Nie chciałem.
I told Kaja I'd get you to stop this, and you bet your ass I'm gonna.
Nie tak to miało wyglądać, moi drodzy.
Give a fuck that we don't get along. I'm not letting you do this to Cat and Duck. You wanna hurt people because you're afraid. Losing Duck ain't enough for you. Because you fucking lose everything acting like this. I'll fucking kill you before I let that happen. I'm sorry.
No, w Wbiłem mu trochę rozumu do głowy przynajmniej. Myślę, że rozegrane nie najgorzej. Za to tu może za moment być tragedia.
Again, I think it's time.
The boy's been bit, in case you haven't figured that out.
What do you need? Katja.
It's time to... Oh, this is not possible.
What are we gonna do?
We can't allow him to become one of those things.
But what if he doesn't?
Kenny, I love you very much. I love our son more than life itself. I need you to hear me. What you are saying, that he may not turn, is foolish.
But
No.
there's... Come on, Kat.
If you think of one, you let me know.
Isn't there some sort of pill or something we can just give him?
Stop it.
Just drift off to sleep, right, hun? I mean, Jesus, this is our son.
I know, but we know it's here or nothing.
Oh, fuck. Just who, then? You want me to?
You don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, you don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, it should be apparent.
No parent should have to do something like this.
He's right, Kat. We can say our goodbyes and just let that be it.
I don't know. Lee,
Trzeba młodego
you'd be doing this family a great
odstrzelić.
service.
Taka jest moja opinia.
Why don't we take him into the forest so Clementine doesn't have to see?
Yeah.
Give us a moment to say goodbye.
Of course.
I no nie za długo, bo wiecie, królowa się poci. No nie są to wesołe momenty.
What's happening?
No nie będziemy dziecka walić wiecie, brzydko mówiąc.
Duck is dying.
I know. What are you doing?
I'm putting him out of his misery.
No, nie róbmy z dziecka kretyna.
Yeah. Look, Clem. Things are... What the? No! Ben, take Clementine into the train. Go.
Co
You'll be
jest?
fine.
Co zaś? Co się od... Co?
Kat! Katja!
Zajebiście wyszło.
Kat! Honey! Oh, fucking God!
No super.
What the hell happened? What did you...
She couldn't... She's... Oh, fuck!
Jak to będzie tak dalej wyglądało, to my tu nie pociągniemy za długo.
What do we do?
No, co teraz, no.
Give me the gun, kid. I'll do it.
Ugh. Aż sobie muszę pościskać cycka stresowego, bo się zestresowałem. W takim tempie to nas tu 2 osoby zostaną za moment. Nawet mi brew nie tykła. No kurde. No tak czano. Masakrancja.
You want to talk? You understand what happened?
Yes,
Okay. What are you thinking about?
what Chuck said.
What Chuck say?
That what happened to Duck would happen to me.
The fuck he did?
Swear.
Sorry. I'm gonna go talk some sense into him.
Don't be mad.
Chuck,
Hey,
co ty
How you doing?
dupisz?
I don't care what reasons you had for doing it. No reason to go and tell my girl she's gonna end up dead.
'Cause she is. I don't know much about you folks, but I can tell you as sure as the sun's gonna come up tomorrow that y'all keep going on like this, and that girl ain't gonna make it.
What do you know?
I know that you don't have a goddamn plan. We get to Savannah, and then what?
Mamy
Find
plan.
a boat.
You think that's a new idea? You got even the foggiest idea about where you're gonna find one of those. Look, sit down with the girl and hash it out. Find a map, for Christ's sake. I'd give you one if I had it. And if something were to happen to you,
It won't.
if it were, you gotta prepare the girl. Teach her to use a weapon, and for criminy, cut that hair.
Like a gun. Are you kidding me?
What, she's too young to handle one? There ain't too young. Not anymore. You gotta consider her a living person. That's it. You're either living or you're not. You ain't little, you ain't a girl, you ain't a boy. You ain't strong or smart. You're alive. Look at her hair. Find some scissors in my pack and take care of that hair before Walker does it for you. And then show her how to use a gun. Because like it or not, that's what saves your life from here on out. I don't mean to tell you how to do your job, but too many people have died already.
They have.
And seeing another little girl die might just do me in.
I hear you. A plan, a haircut, and a gun. It's good advice.
It's something.
Kurde, to jest dobry pomysł. W ogóle tylko szkoda, że gada to menel, który ma długie włosy, nie?
You have any family?
Out there, somewhere. Been sort of on my own for the past, 14 years now.
Sorry to hear that.
No one to blame.
You're homeless then.
Suppose. I've had homes here and there, and well, they just don't work out. I like a drink, you know.
Yeah.
Got any?
No.
Darn.
Yeah. Nope.
I shot the kid, you know.
I suppose someone had to.
What a mess.
You said it.
Where are you headed?
Kwowadis.
That way?
I mean when we get to Savannah.
Got a few ideas. We'll have a talk when we get there about whether or not you folks want company.
Be safe up here.
You betcha.
No to co, pogadane no.
Mind if I get by you for a second, Kenny?
Can you just leave me alone?
Szefie, no te.
Hey,
Hey, it'll be good to get to the water.
you still want to get a boat?
It's still the best plan.
Ken,
It's the best plan.
hey,
Yeah?
Hej, hej, yeah.
you still want to get a boat?
It's still the best plan.
Ken,
It's the best plan.
Witam, hech, zamknij ryj. Tak, o Life is Strange słyszałem też, że jest bardzo dobre. Także może sobie kiedyś nawet przetestuję. Mody załamany.
hey Ben,
Hey,
aren't many of us left.
yeah. You, me, and Kenny. Clementine. The homeless dude if he sticks around.
Siema Waxen, witam, witam.
We're all homeless.
Filip
You
też
know what I
witam.
mean.
There's not much use in describing people by who they were.
Yeah, guess not.
See you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dobra, damy temu. Damy pijakowi.
It's a fifth of whiskey.
Niech się napije. Najpierw obejrzymy je kudły.
He's lived here a while.
No.
They look
Scyzory.
thin enough. Hey, Clint.
Did you talk to him?
I did. He had some, he explained himself and made some good points. Look, we're not gonna let anything bad happen to you, but there are some precautions we have to take.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Okay. What should we do?
Well, we're gonna figure out a plan for when we get to Savannah. Teach you how to protect yourself and, tidy up a little, so you can't get grabbed so easily.
I'd like that.
Good. You need to know how to protect yourself.
Like hiding or running away? Got it.
I mean, with one of these. First, don't be afraid of it.
Żeby
It's
nie
just a bit.
wyleciała nagle.
Take it. But know where your finger is all the time. And don't put it on the trigger unless you want to hurt somebody.
Okay. Okay.
See? It's not scary.
It's heavy.
You'll get stronger. To aim, you look right down the top, through that notch. Line up the sight at the end with your target.
Is there anything else I should know?
Squeeze the trigger. Steadily, okay? Don't give it a quick yank or pull.
Steady. I can do that.
Every time. It'll be tough, but just remember to do that. You'll hit what you're aiming at.
Okay. I'm ready.
Będziemy tu strzelać? W wagonie? Kurwa, to chyba nie jest najszczęśliwszy pomysł, mi się
Good.
wydaje.
Don't lock your elbows. Okay, let's take your first shot. Squeeze the trigger smoothly, and I'll cover your ears. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Eee!
You okay?
My hands hurt. I don't like this.
Let's stick with it, okay?
Do I have to?
Yeah, you do. Steady now. Almost got it. Okay, a little higher.
Nie! Niżej! Niżej!
Okay, aim a little bit more to the left. Aim lower,
W prawo!
a bit to the right. Steady now. Almost got it.
Yes! Got it!
Got it!
Excellent. Good shot.
O Boże.
A little bit more to the left. A little bit lower.
Yes!
There you go. Nice.
Ej, szefie, my nie mamy tyle tego. Amunicji. No.
Did it!
Yeah, you did. Good job.
I squeezed the trigger, just like you said.
I know. You did good.
They're not walkers, though.
No, far from it. But you know how these things work now. We'll graduate you to walkers one day.
Okay, I feel good.
Not so scary, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Dobrze se radzi. Jeszcze kudły trzeba jej opierdaczyć.
Hey, Clint.
Hi.
So you're probably not gonna like this.
Oh no. What happened?
Nothing. We have to talk about your hair. It's not safe.
That's not nice.
What?
Are you saying it smells?
No.
Nie.
'Cause it does. Kinda.
Do you remember when Andy St. John grabbed it and I got mad?
Yeah.
Well, that could happen again. And if it's a walker, well, we need to trim it.
Just a trim, right?
I need to cut it short enough so that it can't get grabbed.
Oto.
Okay.
Mind if we do this now?
I guess not.
Kurde, Niklaus
Oh, come
fryzjer.
on. It's a good thing.
Do you know how to do this?
Yes. Of course.
Yeah, of course.
I don't believe you.
Well, good.
Good?
Means you know when someone's lying to you, which is another valuable survival skill.
So you did kill someone before.
Yeah,
I'm glad you finally told me.
Napas Dana.
me too.
Nagle
You've
Pazdan
killed lots of things
ma taką
now.
wielką głowę
Doesn't even
okrągłą.
matter.
Robimy mochawka.
No, it's different.
But you do it now to protect yourself. And to protect me.
I was sent to jail
Did people ever go to jail when they shouldn't?
all the time. Okay, I think I'm about done. I can probably tie these pieces back with something.
Here, I have some hair thingies.
You do?
Yeah. Lily gave them to me for
Przecież
sleeping.
to są gumki, a nie spinki.
There.
Z kogo oni
all
robią
set.
kretyna?
Does it look dumb?
No, you look cute. And a lot harder to grab.
W sumie to za wiele jej nie obciął, no. Może tak miało być właśnie. Co to tu leży?
I hope we're not on this train much longer.
A, nic. Dobra, idziemy do tego zbója. Damy mu whisky. Niech się napije.
I found this if you want it.
Damn. Didn't realize I had it left. Thank you. Want a nip?
A, dej!
Sure.
To jest dopiero, moi drodzy, scena rodzajowa. Gorzoła
Not
Pita
known for its
na
finish.
pociągu.
No kidding.
To jest życie.
Anybody in there want to share a drink, you let them know.
Will do.
Pewnie młoda chce se golnąć. I ten... Szczawiu. Ten niech se walnie, bo jest taki zestresowany.
Chuck wanted to know if you needed a drink.
He's got some.
Yeah.
Idź chłopie se walnij Kelona. Wszystko będzie dobrze. Ja teraz mogę na spokojnie mapy wziąć. Hehe i fuck you.
Thanks.
Płyn do chłodzenia z maszynowni. O, możliwe. Młody, chcesz się napić?
Hey, Ben.
Hej, Ben!
Carly didn't have to die, you know.
On nie może pić.
She would have killed
Za
me
młody.
instead.
On jest za młody.
Yeah, maybe. See you.
Yeah.
Młodym ludziom nie wolno. Borygo. Tak.
There was a map of Savannah in the cab.
That's where I would look.
I'll talk it over with Clementine. Make sure she's got a sense of things by the time we arrive.
Good.
Jeszcze mam z Clementine gadać dalej, dobra. Niech będzie. Po Borygo się nie żygo. No, czy ja wiem.
It was me.
Huh?
I was the one giving the bandits supplies.
Kurwa mać!
What?
Wiedziałem! 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 Tak się wypierał!
It's all my fault.
Tak się srał!
What for? Why the hell would you do this?
They said they had my friend, that he was with them. By the time I realized they didn't, it was too late. They said they'd kill me. Kill all of us. I'm sorry, Lee.
I'm sorry. Kurwa! I'm sorry. Przez to normalnie tamta baba zaszczeliła tamtą. Kara musi
You
być.
still want to talk to me?
Kara musi być. Nie.
Not really.
I
Kara
don't
musi
think
być.
so.
I gdzie jest opcja wykurw z pociągu? No co za... Wiedziałem. Gnój. On był podejrzany od początku. Co za menda. Ua,
Clint,
Hi.
I want to
przeprosił.
talk about Savannah.
Me too.
And what we're gonna do when we get there.
Najważniejsze, że
We don't know
przeprosił.
what to expect. The city could be bad or totally under control. The thing is, you and I, we're a team, you know? And a team needs a plan. Aside from everyone else, when this train stops, you and I should know exactly what we're doing.
A plan. I like it.
Good. We need to help find a boat. It's our best bet at safety.
Okay, but we'll be in Savannah, and my parents were in Savannah.
I know. Look,
No, I don't care about safety. I care about finding them.
okay, we'll look for them.
Really?
Yes, of course. I'm sorry. Let's look at the map. If we can figure out where they were, we can start there.
Okay, let's.
Looks like we'll come right through town if there's nothing on the tracks to hold us up. We're gonna want to look for a boat here, I imagine. And from there, we've got all of Savannah to the southwest of us. Now we've got a good chunk of Savannah here. What do you think?
They always stay in the same place when they go there. It's,
Moja wina. W sumie moja wina.
Hey, don't worry. We'll figure it out. Have you ever been there?
Once.
Well, think about it. There are a lot of hotels on here, but read this map and maybe it'll jog your memory.
They've got really tasty desserts. It's called the something Mar.
Is this it? The Marsh House?
Yes, that's it.
So we'll head there.
Yes.
You think we have a good plan?
I think it's very good. Can I tell my parents? You know.
Sure. Go ahead. All right. How do you feel?
Good. Better. I'm glad we have a plan.
And you're a good little shot.
Thanks.
I guess we should see how far.
Oh, shit! Hold on, everybody!
Chyba... What's going on? O panie. That's some serious shit.
Fuck!
Maybe we could walk?
That's fucking stupid, Ben.
I'm just saying.
I don't know. I ain't got much experience with y'all's fortitude, but we could probably deal with that. We got a goddamn train.
That thing's not full of milk, Charles. That's gas or diesel. Something that's gonna explode.
You gotta get a hold of yourself. This a crew here.
This ain't shit.
This?
Yo, you keep screaming like that and you're gonna get your face
Lol.
chewed off.
Are you guys gonna be trouble? Because we could have just kept walking.
No, we're friendly! Put your hand down, kid.
That's what everybody says.
We know.
Let's give these guys a break.
We'll see.
You guys got a problem with your train?
Yeah, you're standing right in front of it.
Dude, it's a wreck. It's not so bad from up here. Send your buddy up to have a look.
Anything goes sideways up there, we won't let them escape.
No, my już się przejechali parę razy na takich akcjach. Moi drodzy, ja tu sobie zakończę odcinek na YouTubie. Także na YouTubie, kto do tego momentu dotarł, zostawcie łapkę w górę i widzimy się w kolejnym.